Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, then you already know. In today's video, as the title suggests, we will be doing spring decorate with me. Yes, we are gonna do a little bit, not too much. We're gonna add some greenery in the home, change out a few stems. I cannot wait to show you guys the final look. I already have the vision of what I want to place where. Not doing too much, let's keep it like that, but definitely all the winter stems, we're gonna get rid of those. So I'm so excited. I did add a few stuff that I used last year, which I love. I did not want spring or summer to be over because I did not want to get rid of those. So I am so excited. Hope you are. And I want you guys to leave a comment and let me know what you think at the end of the video. Watch the video. Hopefully this is an inspiration for someone who wants to go out, don't know what to get their home. I'll link what I can. If not, I'll tell you guys at the end of the video where I get all my items from. Also, I did in my weekly vlogs, once I was doing the shopping at Home Goods, Michael's, where else? Hobby Lobby. Those will be there as well. So you can check your local stores, or if I can link them, I'll definitely do that. So stick around. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get to the video. I'm so excited. Oh, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Alright guys, we are finally done with the spring decor in the living room and the kitchen. OMG. Inside feels so light. It feels so bright. It feels so much like there's fresh air with the different greenery. Absolutely love it. And I feel like I did pretty good. Very minimal because I incorporate green. I know a lot of people like pink and orange and yellow, and not me. I just cannot do with colors. If I'm gonna do colors, it's gonna have to be a color that's gonna be relatable to something else. Like the pillow covers, they have the green, the greenery. Absolutely love what I did. Let me tell you guys something. So this area right here, I am always scared to change it up, and I did that. So I love how simple and minimal it is still, but we did change it up, switch it up a little bit, because I feel like I know what the issue was. I changed over the books, and I was like, the books are not, they're just not working. And then I changed the color of the books, and then I said, this is it. So that's what it is. But my absolute favorite was, I honestly love my cherry blossom, which they are right here. And these are from A Floral. We have these from last year and love it. I also had this pedestal bowl. A few weeks ago, I got this from Target, and I feel like it's so cute. I am going to go to Hobby Lobby because I want to get some faux or fake like apples, green apples, to add to this. I might use something yellow or some lemons, but I might stick to the green. So I think I'm gonna get some fake apples and add to this bowl right here, because it is not for food. So yeah, but absolutely love what I did. Even the wall art on the TV, it is beautiful. You guys saw it just now. Let's switch it around again. Yeah, it's screaming spring. I didn't do no Easter bunny, I didn't do no eggs, but it's still screaming spring, you know. So absolutely love that. But let me tell you guys the best thing I think I purchased this year. Honestly, I feel like the hydrangea, OMG, Amazon have these, and I don't think they're fake, you know, but the way how they feel, the way how they look, it's giving real. And I added those to the kitchen, and I absolutely love how they look. They are beautiful. Honestly, everything is screaming. Now I want to do something else. We still have outdoor to do the wreath and the little bench at the front of the house. I do have pillow covers for there, but we're gonna leave that for the weekly vlog. So you guys should make sure you catch up with my weekly vlogs, okay? Now this area right here, I am going to see if I can get, well, I do have some for this area. I do have some stems, like the stick stems, that's what they call it. Or I'll go outside and see if I can get a big one. I want something tall to look so extra in this vase. So we're still working on this one, and it's gonna go into, now these florals are beautiful as well. I believe I get these from, was it Michael's or Hobby Lobby? All right guys, I think I did pretty well. It was simple, but it was cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys so much. Until the next one, I want you guys to leave a comment though. Tell me how I did. I think I was struggling with the coffee table for a minute because it took me a minute to get rid of the tray, but we did, and I think I like it. And then I was skeptical about the florals that I added into the coffee table as well, but it came out beautifully. And then the bowl that I got from Hobby Lobby, I did something with a paper mache bowl, a small one that I had as well, and something else. I just created something because we need something, okay? But tell me what you think about the decor. Simple, but it screams spring, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my weekly vlog. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye.